In the current section, I added the image with the layout that we are going to follow. To achieve this layout, let's start by adding a new section with these columns. About 66% on column 1, and around 33% on column 2. On the first column, add the intersection module. By default, this will give you two inner columns about 50% width each. I will duplicate this intersection module to create a new one. This time, on the first intersection, remove the second column. And there you have it, we now achieve the layout. Thank you for watching.